you're really doing it right from, getting the board of advisors on there. And do you think companies do that type of, you know, do they do that enough? You think about where you guys are at your stage and you're really saying, hey, look, what do we need to do to be successful? And it's not what, it's really who do we need to connect with to be successful? How's the board of advisors helping you out?
So Trish and I, multiple startups and multiple board of advisors over our careers. What we didn't want, we hadn't really seen a good board of advisors and how they worked. So when we sat down with Dr. Bobby Lyle, who's our lead investor and basically the chairman of the board for Catalyze, we sat down and said, we want to have a board of advisors, but we want to have people that are engaged. We want to have people that are invested in our success and that they benefit from our success.
Mm-hmm.
So we really focused as we don't just take anybody on our board of advisors. We really look at what area on the board do we have a gap, or what area do we have a gap in the markets we're going to penetrate. And then we go and actively look for people that can fill that role from the people that we know and the people that our investors know and the people that are what we call our friends at Catalyze. So we have a pretty extensive friends at Catalyze network that are former CEOs and CTOs and undersecretaries, et cetera, and generals. And obviously you mentioned one, Pat, who's been a good friend. So we get insight into some really good quality people, and having, Frank Capuccio, Heidi Shu, Dr. Lyle on the board really opens the door.